What's going on YouTube? This is your boy The Vintage back on a video, man. Today, you read the title, we're going to be talking about these Yeezy 700 Vantas, and we're going to be talking about these Adidas 350 black non-reflective joints that we'll be releasing this Friday. Before we get too deep into this video, man, right now what I need you to do is subscribe to the YouTube channel, man. We're on a grind to 20,000 subscribers. So if you want to help your boy out, share the video, like this video, and go ahead and comment down below. Give me some feedback. I respond to all comments. Also, what I need you to do is hit that link in the description box below and go follow me over on Instagram at The Vintage World, man. Also, I want to give a huge shout out to Soul Primers for sending this over to your boy. I'm still working on this discount code. I will have that for you guys very, very soon. But check it out right here. I already have like 4 pair of sneakers in here, minus these, because that's what we're talking about today. I got my Fear Gods at the bottom. I got my Yeezys in here. I got my Travis Scott 4s, and I have my Bread 4s, man. So shouts out to Soul Primers for this bag, and I still have plenty of room for a lot of other things like those 350 V2 blacks that will be copping tomorrow. Will be going in the bag as well, and traveling with me all the way to San Antonio, Texas, man. So with all that being said, you guys, let's jump right into this video, man. Let's get it. Okay, first things first, you check it out right here. I will put B-roll of the sneaker in the video as well, so you can check it out. These were released today. I just checked the Kicks on Fire app, and I just checked Adidas.com, and they did a release on Adidas.com Yeezy, and I did not know that. From my understanding, they was gonna be releasing on Saturday. That's why I dropped a how to cop over the 350 V2 blacks, and I was like, damn, what happened? Like today, I just got a notification. It was like, you can get your Vanta V2s now, and I was like, this came out of nowhere because I want to help you guys out and tell you where to cop, how to cop, and stuff like that. You know, usually around release dates, you're gonna get a shoe that's very high in resale value right before release, or it's gonna be very low. So this one right here, all the way up until this release, I seen it go from $450 all the way down to $350, man. And right now you can get your pair for a little over retail. So with shoes like this, the 700s like this, I would say, they usually drop below retail, just like the Mauve joints was going for about $350 for a little while. Now I got mines for under retail, along with the Inertia joints. I got those for like $250, you know what I'm saying? So shouts out to Go for that. Also, a couple of other Yeezys that dropped you could get for under retail. So you got to kind of read the market, see how it's going. Either shoe is going to be high above resale, going up until release day and start dropping down, or if you see it not dropping down, you could possibly think or start thinking that the shoe is going to keep climbing in resale value, just like the Wave Runners. The Wave Runners haven't dropped under 500 yet, and I can see that shoe just steadily growing, and along with all the 700 models, because I don't think we will see a lot of restocks with these 700 models or colorways that we have seen recently, like these, like the Mauves, like the Nurses, like the Salts. Shoes like that, Yeezys like that, you should go ahead and get now while they under retail, rather than waiting and growing in retail, because I don't see them releasing for another while. You let me know in the comment section below if you think these will be releasing again. Me personally, I don't think so. Just the way Yeezy has been going. You seen with the cream 350 V2s, we didn't see a restock for those for like a whole year. Along with the Zebras, we got 3 restocks, but they were all spaced apart, and resellers were still keeping them about 500. When the first release is going about 1,000, and this last release, now you can get your pair for about $300, man. So you kind of gotta read the market, see where it's going. Check your StockX, check your Go app, see where the sales is going, see if it's gaining or it's losing value, man. So right now in the comment section below, let me know if you cop the Yeezy Vanta V2s or if you will be waiting. Me personally, I had to get them because, I don't know, I just love the 700 silhouette, and I got them for under retail. Shouts out to New Zealand for that. And just all black shoe, you can wear anything. And this is like a great traveling sneaker. All my 700s, I had great experience with, like comfortability wise. I love my 700s. I love that boost material they did with this. And like I said, this black is universal. You can rock it with anything, man. So yeah, right now, let me know if you copped them. Let me know if you dropped them. I personally, like I said, would suggest you to wait. If you don't want to drop that 300 bag, man, go ahead and wait. Watch it on StockX, watch it on Go app. You might get it for about $250, $270 within a couple of months. But don't wait too long, because like I said, these shoes, I don't see them restocking for another little while. All right, now that we talked about these Yeezy V2 Vantas and seeing what they're gonna do, the resale prediction, like I said, I think they'll be going for $250, $270 after release. They give it about 2-3 weeks, and you probably get your pair for under retail. Now we're gonna be talking about these 350 V2 blacks. Me personally, the way I see it on StockX right now, they're still going for about 400 plus, and they're not dropping. I think these are going to be like a hot commodity. I think it's a lower stock number than what people think, and I think a lot of people is going to be mad that they probably didn't try as hard to get this sneaker they should. Just like the Power Blacks, just like the other Yeezy colorways that people slept on, you know what I'm saying? The price started to creep up. And with these 350 black V2s, man, like I said, it resembles a pirate black colorway, and everybody wants the pirate blacks. You know what I'm saying? Everybody wants the pirate blacks. I don't know one person that wouldn't say they want the pirate blacks in their collection. And these right here is the closest thing to the pirate blacks we get. So right now, what I suggest you to do is go ahead, and if you take an L, get them right on StockX if you really want the sneaker, because like I said, this is gonna steadily grow in the market, and I think it's more limited than what people think. It's not as hyped up as a lot of the other Yeezys that dropped, but this one right here is gonna be one of those sleepers like the bread Yeezy 350 V2. Those right there, I remember those going for like 220, 250 right when on release day. People try to sell them, stuff like that. They thought it was gonna be bricks, and now if you check them right now, they're going for like $600, man. It's crazy. So if you want this shoe right now, don't sleep on them. Go after these 350 V2 Black Now Reflectives. I will be doing a pickup vlog over these 350 V2 Black Now Reflectives. I'll be going up to museum. Shout out to my boy Luca for holding me down. I'll be picking them up, showing you how they look, doing it on feet, doing a review for you guys so you can check them out. See if you want to jump on a resale market right then, because you know everybody cannot take a W on every shoe, man. And I think these is going to be one of those shoes that everybody, a lot of people, not everybody, a lot of people want to take an L on. And yeah, I want to give you guys the visuals and let you know if you should go ahead and cop on StockX now, go app now, or if you should just wait and see if they're going to drop in resale market. Also, the black reflective joints they did like a surprise drop, and it was super hard to get. Like I went on the website to try to get them, and it was just like impossible. I kept trying to load the page. I had like 2-3 browsers open, had on my phone, and it just would not populate that those shoes were releasing. A lot of people got W's on them, and right now, of course, the reflectives are gonna be going more in value than the non-reflective joints because they're reflective. But like I said, those are super hard shoe to get. It was a shock drop. They never released like 3 o'clock in the States, 3 a.m. And I was like, damn, like, give somebody a heads up. I heard nobody got heads up. If you cop them, let me know in the comment section below. But I know those were probably the hardest Yeezy to get this year, in my opinion, besides the static V2 700s, man. All right, thank everybody for tuning in. We talked about these Yeezy 700 V2 Vantas. I want to know if you copped this morning, if you dropped. Let me know what you're gonna do, what you think about these sneakers right here. We also talked about these 350 V2 Black Now Reflective joints, and we also talked about the reflective joints as well. And those are super hard shoe to get. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed already. Like the video if you made it this far into the video, man. I really appreciate it. Also, check out Soul Premise, man. Like I said, hopefully by the end of this video or by the time I'm done editing, I will have that discount code for you guys. I would recommend you to get the big bag where you can fit 5 pair of sneakers. Don't get the little small commuter bag. If you do, you do. Get what you can afford. But this one right here, I would definitely recommend you to get. Stay tuned for that review and on feet and the pickup vlog over the 350 V2 Black Now Reflectives. Follow me over Instagram at TheVintageWorld. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys next video. I'm gonna put in the on feet portion over these 700 V2 Vantas. Since they dropped today, I'm gonna give y'all the on feet video. Just know the review and on feet has already uploaded on the channel, but I will give you the on feet on this video, man. Appreciate all love and support, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.